you're a social worker, this message is for you. March is Social Work Month, and I don't think the general public fully understands what that means or what you actually do. So today, I want to talk about the unsung quarterback of healthcare. And yes, I'm talking about you, today's social worker. In football, most people see the quarterback as the one throwing touchdowns, getting all the attention, and generally is seen as the hero. But in healthcare, especially in aging, the quarterback is the one coordinating everything behind the scenes. Discharge planners, case managers, and medical social workers. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, there are over 720,000 social workers in the United States, and that number is only projected to grow faster than average over the next decade. Why? Because healthcare is more complex than it has ever been. Adults aged 65 and older now make up nearly 17% of the U.S. population, according to the U.S. Census Bureau. By 2034, older adults are projected to outnumber children for the first time in American history. That means more chronic illnesses, more hospitalizations, and more care transitions. And right in the middle of it all, it's the social worker. Now here's something that I don't think gets talked about enough. The profession of social work didn't actually start inside hospitals. It started in the late 1800s with reformers like Jane Addams and the settlement house movement at Hull House. The mission wasn't paperwork, it was about dignity and advocacy. It was stepping into very complicated social systems and situations and realizing we can do better than this. By 1955, the formation of the National Association of Social Workers unified the profession nationally. Social Work Month was later established to help the public understand what social workers actually do. And almost 70 years later, we still struggle to define the role that social workers play in safe discharge and outcomes of the patients that they advocate for. From my perspective as a certified aging in place specialist working with One Mobility North Jersey, I see the pressure that you carry. You're balancing insurance limitations, family disagreements, safety concerns, readmission risks, equipment coordination, home safety barriers, and all of it under the most unrealistic timelines and most unrealistic pressure. The National Academy of Medicine has identified care transitions as one of the most vulnerable points in healthcare. Poorly coordinated discharges significantly increase readmission rates. And who's often leading that coordination? Again, you guessed it, it's the social worker. So during Social Work Month 2026, I would like to say this in the most undeniable terms possible, that those of us in the aging in place world, we see you. We understand that aging safely at home is not just about equipment, it's about coordination and advocacy and communication. And hasn't that been the heart of social work since the very beginning anyway? From settlement houses in Chicago to hospital discharge planning in 2026, it's the same mission. It's just a different battlefield. If you're a social worker listening to this right now, thank you for what you do. For you shape the outcomes of so many. And for those of us who partner with you, whether in mobility or home care, or home modification, we are better at what we do because of you. So from the Agewise Institute and 101 Mobility North Jersey, happy Social Work Month to all of the social workers making a difference on a daily basis. Thank you.